Hello and welcome to this video. Previously, we looked at operators that help us make decisions in Python. Today, we're going to look at a bonus group of operators, the arithmetic operators. So what are they? They are symbols that help us perform mathematical calculations on numbers in Python. The first is the one that you already know, addition, where we have an example of 2 plus 2 being 4. The second is subtraction, another you're familiar with, 3 minus 1, that would be 2. Another one is division, where we use a symbol that you may not be familiar with. This is a forward slash, and in Python, this is what we use for division. So 4 divided by 2, that will give us 2. Another one is multiplication, again using a symbol that you may not be familiar with. This is an asterisk, and we use it to represent multiplication. So this is 4 times 2, and that would be 8. On this side, we have some operators that you may not be familiar with. These are 2 forward slashes, and they represent the floor division. Floor division means that you round a number to the closest smallest number. Let me give you an example. 9 divided by 2 would give you 4.5. But with floor division, we take the smallest number, the smallest whole number that could come out of this, which would be just 4. The second operator that you are not familiar with is the double asterisk, which represents power of something. So 2 to the power of 3 will give you 8. This is like saying 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. And the third and final operator we're going to look at today is the modulus. Modulus means that if you divide 10 by 3, the remainder is what we're looking for, and in this case, the remainder is 1.